So, okay. Hello guys and good afternoon. Welcome to our session. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello George. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me guys? Can anyone hear me? Okay. So, welcome to this afternoon's trading session. You are watching our positions that we are not doing so well for the moment. Three trades are currently close to hit our stop loss, and we have to mention that in a few minutes the Draghi speech regarding monetary policy for the European Union will start. So volatility is expected in the markets. Currently we have a bit of losses around $1,500. I bought it as well, Patrick. And this is my stop loss. We don't want the price to break below this level, 117.70. And actually I'm expecting a big upward movement at 118.57. At which level did you go long, Patrick? What was your entry level price? I want to remind you that if you see a negative sign there and you want to follow our trades, it's absolutely fine. You will get it at a much better price than we did. So the whole day euro dollar is going up and now has declined a bit, and this is the support zone that I'm hoping that it will not break to continue its further upward movement. This is as far as euro dollar is concerned. Our dollar cut rate for the moment is consolidating. This is our entry level of short position we have. And I repeat that the target price for this trade is way below at $1,372 profit at 130.20. Now all eyes now are on euro dollar. So that's why I will stay on this chart. We have also shorted dollar CHF, which is losing some money. And now it seems that Draghi's speech has started. And the reaction of the euro dollar is the one we have been expecting. Let's hope that this reaction will continue to the upside, eventually break the daily highs and rally to the upside. This is what I expect to happen. Actually, the signal was given by yesterday, guys. The signal is short the dollar, long the euro. A lot of trend lines have been broken, and that is why today we are speculating against the US dollar and in favor of the euro in our majority of our trades. Of course, it's intraday trading. Markets are very volatile, as you can see now. While it started to go up, now it's declining. It seems that Draghi's speech has started. It will cause some volatility. Let's hope that everything will be fine with us. So for the moment, euro dollar is holding its support, and we are trying to get some profits there. Now, also we bought New Zealand USD, the Kiwi. Let me put it on the chart. We have already bought that. Okay, it has followed the same pattern as the euro dollar. It has declined a bit, but now is within a long consolidation zone here. As you can see, that's why my stop loss is a bit lower than this level, this area here. I believe that this area will attract the interest of the buyers. Same pattern as euro dollar. Dollar yen. Looking on the 5-minute chart, we have shorted dollar yen. For the moment, it doesn't look good. It should go the other way around, but we are patiently waiting. We have our stop loss there. Why I have shorted dollar yen? Because I saw a bearish crossing the moving averages. This zone here, the 110.60, it's a crucial resistance zone for dollar yen. We will see how it reacts and we will act accordingly. Euro yen, the 4-hour chart is very bullish, guys. It's very, very, very bullish, very strong uptrend momentum, and that's why we have entered a long position. I believe in a strong break in euro yen, and that's why my take profit is at 130.43. So I'm expecting a strong break on all euro pairs, euro dollar, euro yen, okay, euro Aussie. I have stopped and reversed my position. All right, Aussie dollar is again very bullish on the 4-hour chart. They all have the same patterns, guys. Anything that is versus the dollar has the same pattern, and let's hope that the break will be made today and we will make some money. Pound yen. This is pound yen. Again, as you can see on the 4-hour chart, a very strong bullish momentum. The market has tried to decline, but now see how it's rallying to the upside. So generally speaking, the yens, euro yen, pound yen, they have shown very good signals of bullishness, and I think they will break strongly to the upside. The only pair that doesn't break for the moment is euro dollar, but patience, we will see. You can't, okay. Come to restart. Okay, we have a small problem with a leaf. Hopefully we will resolve it shortly. Yes, definitely we need Draghi's help. Patrick. So pound dollar is accumulating. I like these rounding patterns. Usually they break to the upside strongly. That's why I bought also pound dollar expecting an upside break. For the moment that break doesn't come, then Draghi's speech has just started. We are expecting some volatility there. The other pair that we have entered is Euro Aussie. I have reversed my positions from short to long positions, and we will see what happens. I like this bullish cross here of the moving averages. This is at the support zone for Euro Aussie. We will see what happens. And the last pair we have traded for today is Euro GBP. It has declined a bit, now is recovering, and we will see what happens. Okay, euro dollar doesn't look good, guys. It doesn't look good. It should react to the upside until now. Of course, we have our stop loss, $486. There is no reason to put a bigger stop loss. If it doesn't hold there, this is basically the support zone I'm looking at. This is the support zone. This is the buy zone for euro dollar. If it breaks below it, there is no reason to hold your positions longer. As we can see now, 3 positions are ready to hit stop loss, but unless they hit, you cannot say that you have lost the trade. All right. Patrick, at which price level you have entered euro dollar, and at which price level is your stop loss? Because if you bought it here lower than us, maybe it's better to put your stop loss lower. We cannot do that due to money management restrictions, Patrick. What was your entry level price? Okay. So your entry level price was at which level for euro dollar? 117.84. Okay, so more or less you got it at the same level than we did. In this case, you leave your stop loss there and you don't move it. Let's hope that it will hold, okay? Because we are risking $486 to get, I want to get a bit more than $486. So somewhere here, if this uptrend was true, somewhere here the dollar should start to reverse now, for example. So we are monitoring euro dollar. The Draghi speech has just started. As you can see, 3 positions are close to hit stop loss. However, you can see that the amounts of risk we are taking today is not much. For example, New Zealand, the Kiwi is just a few bucks. I mean, it's just $300. The euro is just $490. So our risk is minimal. There is no point of leaving more stop loss to be triggered, because if it will fall like crazy. So we are speculating that the support zones will hold and we will see an upside movement on euro dollar. New highs, guys. We are looking for new highs. Okay, euro dollar does not look good for the moment. And most probably, let me see, most probably we will hit our first stop loss. Let's see. Yes, why not? Why not? It's a good level, George, yes. But if you enter here, your stop loss should be here. I mean, at approximately 117.55. Okay, have you entered it? Okay, I will enter it again with you then. So I will buy again euro dollar, and I will put my stop loss 117.55. Okay, good. And my take profit, I will keep it the same, guys, 118.57. So I have entered again euro dollar long with a more reluctant stop loss. So now my risk is $606. I'm going with 6 lots. Most probably the first 3 lots will be closed with a stop loss. Of course, we will see. And my take profit is the same. I believe that we will see the euro at this level, 118.57. Of course, the risk reward is good. Even if you don't get this trade, believe me, if you get at least 3 or 4 out of 10, you will make money. So that's the reason I have increased my leverage on euro dollar, because maybe this is triggered and go up. I had the wrong entry level in this case. But this support zone, as you can see, for the moment, it still holds. Should I go bigger then? What do you mean bigger? You mean to go all in? Absolutely not, Alan. No. Don't do that. There is no reason to do that. Just keep your normal position size. If you want to open again another position, do it, but with the same position size as the first one, like I did, for example. We are not in favor of the anti-martingale system. Keep a smaller position. Okay, open another 1.5 lots, for example, if you wish, but don't open 5 lots. Okay, just to keep the risk management in place, because maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I see things different. It's not about rich and poor. It's about the skill that you can develop through Trademy.com to forecast the markets and identify good entry level points, Alan. So let me see other trades as well. We are long euro yen. You see, euro yen didn't react it. The yen pairs are holding much more than the dollar pairs. I mean, euro dollar, as you can see, has declined, but euro yen, as you can see, is holding for the moment. So euro yen is more bullish than euro dollar, and pound dollar is more bullish than euro dollar. So it seems that we will see what happens. It's very strange. Usually the euro dollar is the first to react in such announcements. Let's see what will happen. So we have 2 positions in danger now to hit our stop loss. The first one is euro dollar, and the second one is Aussie dollar. Elif, is it εντάξει? Okay, Elif is still having some technical problems. As soon as we resolve this, I will give her a pass. She's now restarting her PC, but she will be back shortly. Okay, any other positions you have taken with us, guys, except from euro dollar? Any position that you have taken the opposite from us? I mean, you don't need to agree with us. All right. So Draghi speech, as you can see, is on the way. Now we see a small recovery on euro dollar. Remember that we are going with 6 lots, guys, on euro dollar. We have entered the second position and we have placed a lower stop loss than our first position. We have taken this risk. So basically our total risk on the euro is around $1,100, but our reward ratio is around $4,000 and something. So euro yen, I like this formation a lot. I think it will break to the upside. Euro GBP doesn't look good, guys, doesn't look good at all. And why Euro GBP is falling is because we have a rally on pound dollar and the euro dollar is not going up. So we will see what happens. For the moment, Euro GBP is holding, although it's our biggest loser. Euro Aussie, let me have a look on Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie is falling. It tricked me a lot, this Euro Aussie. I went short, then I closed it, then I entered long. Let's see. Let's see what will happen with Euro Aussie. I think I'm in the wrong side of the market with Euro Aussie. All right, never mind. So our euro dollar is still holding. Okay, Aussie dollar, you went long or short, Alan? Okay. All right. You are long, Patrick, on Aussie dollar? Okay. I have longed the Kiwi and I think I have longed also the Aussie dollar. Let me have a look on that. Aussie dollar looks fine for the moment. Is where we bought it. No surprises. It's consolidating nicely and is going up slowly. Basically, I'm expecting a movement out to the upside on Aussie dollar up to the level of 75.26, which was the lows of 3 months ago. If you put the 4-hour chart, it was these lows, basically, of June. The lows of June, here, this swing here is my take profit. And as you can see, there is absolutely no resistance there on the support and resistance levels on the 4-hour chart to hold it from getting there. It's a free ride, Aussie dollar. The key now for intraday trading is not to hit our stop loss before getting there. However, the stop loss is mandate because we need to protect our capital. And it's at $425 approximately. So, it's crazy. Yes, Draghi is talking. Volatility is expected, guys. Draghi is talking. He's talking about the monetary policy and inflationary reports about the European Union. So we expect volatility, but we want the volatility to be in our favor. And we definitely want the euro pairs to go up. Euro yen, euro Aussie, euro pound, euro dollar. Let's see what we will get today, guys. What else? Doesn't connect. Yes. All right. Forex Live. Let me see what we have. So guys, any other positions you have regarding the pairs that you have traded this morning? How many of you have, for example, shorted euro yen? Anyone else has any positions that he wants to talk about it? All right. How was your day, Alan, in general? You made a profit. I'm long today as well, Patrick, but for the moment doesn't pay off. If you see, I have a long bias today. Everything is long, but for the moment, it doesn't pay off enough. Of course, we will see, guys. So what other positions do you have, Patrick? Except I expect a weaker dollar, not a stronger euro, but it goes with it. Short Bitcoin. All right. Good luck with that. I'm expecting a rise in the price of Bitcoin around 4,000. The first resistance level of Bitcoin, Allen, is around $7,400. A small analysis that I have done yesterday. Of course, Bitcoin, if they hack something, it can fall. So it's not a very trustworthy instrument to trade for the moment. Yes, exactly. If they hack something, the price will drop, but the trend of technical analysis shows the short-term trend has reversed to an uptrend, guys, around $7,400 for Bitcoin. That's the first target price for Bitcoin. So we are patiently, guys, waiting for our positions to close or to move. It's not the matter. Yes, Bitcoin is a very risky instrument because there are external factors that you cannot control. Dollar Turkish lira. Alan, allow me not to put that chart on the screen because it's not, the spread is very expensive for intraday trading and is not the purpose of the trading room. Generally speaking, fundamentally, if Erdogan becomes a good person and more friendly, the Turkish and gets out of the from intervening with the central bank of Turkey, we expect the Turkish lira to strengthen. If it's the other way around, then it's not a good sign for the Turkish lira. It's working. Okay. Elif will be online in order to give you more explanations and expectations about the Turkish lira and the indices, guys. Okay, we are online. I'm transferring you now to Elif. If I have any updates, I will inform you accordingly. I will give you the controls, Elif. One moment.
So guys, hello. Sorry for the late welcoming of you guys. I had a serious issue with my computer and it's still not going very well. I don't know what's going on, but it's okay. We will get there. Basically, what I wanted to tell you is about Erdogan. As you know, he is today. It's after the elections. Today, it's his day where he will, get his. Hold on, I will close this stuff. So he's today. It's the day where they accept him as the new president, and the changes he wants to implement are implemented from today onwards officially. So today was a big day for the Turkish lira. However, yeah, about his politics we can always discuss. It's always ongoing issue, you know. So Italy 40, yes, Italy 40. Alan was asking me about Italy 40. We made some losses on Italy 40, but we made some magic on basically our direction on Italy 40 was not wrong. It had a drop down and now it's going up, and our stop loss was on the level where it started to turn. We made some magic on DAX, guys. So here I will put you on DAX what we did. We were long, then I hedged, I went short, I closed the long position with profit, I opened again a short position, I closed also my short position with a small profit. Here we go with a small profit, and then I entered again a position. So we are almost covering our losses from the Italy 40 position. So I'm quite positive with that. Also with Italy 40, I'm a bit tend to open again a buy position on Italy 40. As you see, our general trend was not wrong, guys, and I'm thinking to open again a Italy 40 position. So let me check. So let me check your chats, guy. Your chats. So there we go. What we have here. So here. Alan is asking if a big trade will make his day. So, Alan, this is the big. Sorry, this is the problem. You shouldn't trade bigger than you can afford, just because you want to make a profit or whatever. You have to be on your money management criteria. You have to stick on your money management criteria. Don't do this revenge bias. It's called revenge bias, which means just because you lost, you feel like now I have to beat up the market and now I have to open a bigger position to get my losses in and so on. No, this is totally wrong and causes most of the time a bigger loss than you had beforehand, because you just put a trade just to trade, and this is not correct. So Patrick is asking about the US indices. Yes, they are very, very interesting, and let's have a look on Nasdaq. So let's have a look. He is wondering if we should go long on Nasdaq. Patrick is wondering if we should go long, and I'm wondering how he comes with the idea of going long. Patrick, explain me why you think we should go long. Because so Ellen is saying to Kyriakos, look what we lost at USD-TRY pairs. As I said, right now it's the announcement and the move where he's announcing his new members of the parliament and ministers. It's an ongoing issue today. It might be positive. I don't know. I have to check the news whom he suggested. The biggest, the most interesting question was for today if he wants to keep Shimshek as his finance minister. Shimshek is also from his party. As you know, guys, he's from his party, but he's not as in his mindset as Erdogan's mindset. He was working beforehand for Marilyn Lynch, and from the European Union point of view, there is a positive implementation towards Shimshek, and Erdogan is not so convinced about him. And what they say is always, they were wondering if he will keep him or not as the Ministry of Finance, and maybe he announced him. Also, he was supposed to announce today his son-in-law as the vice president or the leader of the opposition party. It's both of them. These are the high discussed topics towards Erdogan today, and let's see how it will go. So before we do so, let's open some trades. It's time for us to open some trades. We have still our DAX positions open. They are both giving money. We have one Bitcoin. Yes, Sassy, it's time for money, as you said. So as I said on DAX, I was making a bit of magic. I hedged and then I closed my hedged position and I opened another position on DAX. I increased my exposure, and right now I'm making some money on it, and I'm planning to keep my positions open a bit more before I close them. I want a bit more out of them. It's too less what we have right now. So let's see also on Italy 40 how we will trade on Italy 40. I'm thinking on Italy 40 to go long. I'm buying right now Italy 40 because I see a great possibility here that the price will reach the day's high, and once it reaches the day's high, I will close the position. I'm sure that Italy 40 will reach around 22,000. It's very close right now to hit the 22,000, and I believe afterwards sky is the limit. So let's put some take profits, guys, because we don't leave our positions naked. Over here on Italy 40, I'm aiming a profit of 22,075. Yes, 22,075, and my stop loss is at the closing of yesterday. It's 21,920. Yes, 920. It's a good price. There we go. We put our first trade for the afternoon on Italy 40. Let's have a look on gold. What's going on gold? Guys, I think I see right now a great possibility to enter gold. Yes, guys, I see a great possibility. Let me see. Here we have a confirmation. Here we have almost a confirmation. Guys, I'm going long on gold. I'm long on gold, guys, and I believe soon we will make here some money. I'm looking for a breakout, and it looks like it will come soon. Let me put my target prices here. I'm targeting 1,265 is my take profit, and my stop loss is at 1,261. There we go, guys. I just opened another long position on gold. I'm long. Ellen is with me long on gold. Great. So let's go back to the US indices. As you know, last week we explained each index one by one. I see. Okay, the American opening is coming. Yeah, just the American opening. We have some earnings coming out today which push the Dow Jones up. Let me see if we can still enter this possibility. Yes, guys, I'm going long on DAX as well. There we go. We went long on DAX, and soon we will make some money over here. Earnings, we had some earnings which were So from next week onwards, we will have a lot of earnings, and I think on the 21st of July, and I think it's 21st or 29th, I'm not sure, but towards the third week of July, it's a great, it's the week where we have announcement earning releases from all big banks like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs. They all have announcement earning releases during the third week of July. And over there we will highly trade US indices, guys. As you know, last week I explained you the difference between Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and there we go. We are already in money with USA 30, already moving quite well. Alan was saying that he doesn't got any shares. It doesn't matter. You don't have shares. You are not holding shares, Alan. But as I explained last week, if you are trading the indices, they are reflecting a lot of shares. The weighting. Oh, great. We are making right now on USA 30 already $150. We are very close, guys. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. DAX is giving money. Gold is giving money. USA 30 is giving money. Guys, this is a wonderful afternoon. This is a wonderful afternoon. There we go. This is what we like. Where is my DAX position? Wonderful. Gold. Gold is giving money. There we go. Wow, $350, $400 on gold, guys. $400 on gold. Within 4 minutes, we make $400 on gold within 4 minutes. These are $100 for each minute, guys. Guys, we are enjoying our afternoon session. Let me see. We are getting ready, guys, to close some. Yes, gold, come on. Give us some more money. So we are making right now $500 on gold, and we have it open just 5 minutes. Now so it's $100 per minute. It's good. Ellen is making only okay, well, Ellen, it depends on the amount. $600. Guys, we are making right now $600 on gold and $400 on USA 30. Where's our USA 30 position? There we go. USA 30, great. This is great, guys. We are making a lot of money. So let me see USA 30. I will leave it run. I still have space here. Let's put a take profit on USA 30. My take profit is 24,649. There we go. Yes, there we go. I'm aiming a profit here of around $500, a bit, yeah, $500, and I will be happy. Gold, where is gold? Let's close also our gold position in case that it doesn't. No, there is still some movement, and I know gold will go further up. Gold will go further up. USA 30, ching ching. We just closed our USA 30 position with $492 profit, guys. Ching ching. Our first profit in the afternoon, and we need it for this $490. Not even 5 minutes, guys. Within 5 minutes, we opened it at 32, and now it's 37. we closed it. So 5 minutes and we made money. We made money on this trade. Now our next target is gold and DAX. Yes, yes, gold and DAX is our next target. By the way, never forget to check what's going on. If there's still some movement to get USA 100, USA 100 has a small pullback. Guys, in the pullback, sometimes it's a great opportunity to enter because yes, there we go. During pullback, it's good to enter a long position. Let me see here. We don't have a pullback yet, but on USA 100, we have a pullback. Guys, what do you think? Shall we go long? Yes, I will go long. I'm going long also on USA 100 because I know it will go up. It will go up. It's just a small pullback and then it will go up and we will get the movement over here. So on gold, what's going on gold? Gold. There we go. Gold started to run after for anybody who wants to increase. No, Ellen, we are not shorting now gold because we have to close first our position and then we will short gold. USA 100 we are making right now on USA 100 money. As I said, it was a pullback and now it's going up and we are making money. This is how we like it, guys. This is how we like it. So gold gets back to gold. I want my gold position soon to open. If you like, you can even increase your exposure on gold, but we don't close gold yet. There is still some money to get on gold. You see it here. Wonderful. A wonderful, great uptrend is building up over here. If you want, you can even increase your exposure. And I'm considering to do so. Guys, I'm considering to do so. I will increase my exposure on gold, and I did. There we go. I opened another gold position. And I will put here my same take profit, 1,265. There we go. Let me open here. There we go, guys. I opened another gold position. My DAX positions are in profit. Okay, my DAX positions are in profit, but I have to consider closing my DAX positions. Guys, my gold position is making already money. USA 100 is making money. Gold position is making money. I have to consider on DAX to put some take profits, guys. Let me see. I have to put here some take profits. My take profit over here is 12,530. It's my take profit, and my stop loss, I will put my stop loss on the day's low, which is below 12,500. So I will put it at 12,498. There we go. We see slowly the uptrend is coming to an end. We see it on the stochastic oscillator, and you see today all day long it's going with a wave, as you can see, and most probably now with the oscillator's giving me the signal that it will start slowly a downtrend, and that's why I have to put my take profit at that point so I can get my money in. Otherwise it will drop down and it's not nice. We could book some of our profits in. This is what I do. We lock our profits then. So there we go. Let me see if there is anything else. I can check gold. Where is my gold position? Guys, these are days which I really enjoy. I really enjoy it. And the market is moving in our favor. Here, the buy position on gold, I will put here again. I will put here 65 is a good time. Yeah, this is what I put. And here, my take profit will be so. However, okay, so from our side, this is quite interesting going on. Gold is making money. USA 100 is making money. Let's go back to USA 100. What's going on? Wonderful. USA 30. We made some money on USA 30. Let me see. Oof. This was a wonderful move. This was a wonderful move. However, guys, I see Kyriakos has some updates. I will pass now to Kyriakos, and then we see. And I will update you about USA 30. Kyriakos, please.
Thank you, Elif. Just a moment to share my screen as well. Okay, guys, we are not doing well today as well. So currently we are down around $1,000. Our euro dollar first position hit stop loss, $486. Our pound dollar position hit stop loss, $861. And we have also an unrealized losses of a bit more than $2,000 for the moment. It seems that the dollar strengthening is continuing. We expected the other way around. It was going up all day, and look what happened now. Draghi's speech definitely affected the markets. That's why we have so many stop losses triggered. Our biggest loser for the moment is dollar CHF. And let me put it on the chart just to see what happens. It's a mirror currency of euro dollar. It was falling all day. Draghi's speech reversed and going up. Okay, so we keep our stop losses and our take profits as they are. You don't need to lose your patience. It's part of the game. The losses are part of the game. New Zealand was going up all day and then it reversed. This is the worst thing can happen to intraday traders, guys. To all the day to go long, to go up, enter long, and now reverse. So most probably it will be another day that we will hit in all of our trade stop loss. It happens. It's part of the it's part of Monday's trading as usual, especially when it's combined with Draghi's speech. It seems that his speech had a negative impact on the euro pairs. However, we are not yet aware of the content of Draghi's speech, so for the moment, it's not a good day for us here at Forex. Currently down $1,000 and unrealized losses of a bit less than $2,000. Our first position was on euro and dollar was hit stop loss. The second position is still running, and we will see how we'll deal with it when the time comes, guys. So that's all for the moment. There is nothing you can do. You just wait and see how the trades are developing. Dollar cut. Let me see dollar cut. It didn't move actually today. Euro Aussie has just almost hit our stop loss, but now is reversing back. We will see. Euro Aussie tricked me a lot. I was short, then I closed it and entered long. Really tricky pair to trade with. The New Zealand, the Kiwi, was going up the whole day, and now it has reversed to the downside. Okay, it happens. Let me see if we have any other announcements. We have another Draghi speech at 6 o'clock. We will see how the trades will be developed until then and react accordingly. Guys, we have recovered a bit from our losses. Now we are down $1,600. Let me see if I have anything else here. No. How many of you have taken the positions with us today? Okay, Patrick, what positions did you take? Euro dollar? You have also entered long euro dollar with us? Okay, first position or the second position we have entered? You have entered in the first position that was closed, or the second position that we have taken, the most recent one? You have entered long 3 times. Okay.
But Patrick, you made money on gold, right? Because we made some money on gold. It moved in our direction, and right now it's a bit dropping, but it's just a pullback, and it will bring us money shortly. No worries. You went short. I see you. I think your trading strategies to do whatever we don't do, right?
So you have shorted 3 times gold, Patrick, or euro dollar? Everything. Okay, you have shorted everything today. Okay. All right. It's going down. It's going down. Let me see. Euro pound. The only trade that is doing well, actually, guys, is Euro GBP and dollar CAD. All the other trades are not developing well. Let me see dollar yen. No, I think I'm gonna give it away. I'm giving away dollar yen. It has went way the opposite way I have expected it. So I'm giving away, guys, dollar yen with a loss. It's not a bad thing to accept the losses. So it went exactly the opposite way I was expecting. Aussie dollar. Doesn't look good. New Zealand. I'm giving away also New Zealand. I don't like it. It didn't break to the upside. It turned to the opposite side. Let me see what else do I have here. Euro Aussie. No, it doesn't work. I will give all Euro Aussie as well. Cutting losses. Dollar CHF. I will give dollar CHF as well. They have went the opposite way. All of them. So that's why I'm giving them away. I will keep, however, pound yen. I will keep euro yen and Aussie dollar. I'm keeping pound yen. However, I will decrease my loss, stop loss level. I will put it here. I don't want to see a lower point than that. 147.19 will be my stop loss. So I will put it here. If it breaks that, it will go lower. There is no point of keeping that trade further. Euro GBP for the moment is doing well. And euro dollar, let me see, we have placed our stop loss there. We are keeping the second position of euro dollar. Okay. For the moment, we are down $2,800 for the day. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions running with good reward to risk ratios. All right. That's all for the moment. Nothing to change, nothing to close for the moment. The trends have been reversed. Unfortunately, they didn't follow the morning's trends. They have turned to the downside. And this has caused us some losses on our accounts. But it's part of the game, guys. It's always part of the game to hit losses. Alright, let's see how these trades are doing. Now, Elif, you have an update on that? Okay, I'm transferring you to Elif. I'm not adding any more trades. I'm keeping them and I will update you accordingly.
Hey guys, there I am back. So, according to for my trades, well, this is one of these examples where you say, okay, put your take profits and close them. Yes, George, gold went crazy down, but gold is not the biggest issue because gold is volatile. It will come back. I don't worry about gold. DAX, guys, we were very close to hit our take profit over here. You remember? And now it's dropping so strongly. You see that? You see that? It dropped so strongly within 15 minutes, not even 15 minutes. And this is what I was telling, that I want to close my buy positions to open and sell position. This was the opportunity of my sell position, but okay. Okay, we just need to adjust our stop loss for both positions because I'm expecting a reversal over here. So we will just miss the possibility of a stop of a sell position. The profits of a sell position we will miss, and well, it's okay. Sometimes we have to give something to the market. USA 100, USA 100. Also, USA 100 dropped very strongly in the last 15 minutes. In the last 15 minutes, it dropped very, very strongly. Also, NASDAQ and S&P 500. S&P 500, the upwards trend wasn't that big, and the upwards trend, the downwards trend either. They are not that big. But on NASDAQ, you can see the same picture as with with USA 100. Yeah, it's dropping right now, but okay. Like gold started to recover a bit. You see here, let's take it in the 5 minutes chart. You see it started, the pattern started to slow down, and I'm expecting a bit, up movement. You see, go DAX, there we go. DAX started again to raise. DAX had today a wonderful range trading opportunity. You see it goes down, up, and we used also we used this movement a lot today. On 4 trades we used it. Okay, we didn't get much money of each trade, but we got around $400 of each trade, which is okay. Italy 40, what is happening with Italy 40? The same picture, it has a short drop, and I think it will start to recover. We have to be on top of our trades to react and not to expect so big profits today. This is what we see. Let's go back to USD TRY pair. There we go. There we go. I didn't get any notification yet about any announcement. As I said, today we are expecting some announcement from Turkey, and the TRY pair is, yeah, making some strong movements. I'm checking my DAX position on the 50 minutes chart. Okay, let's see on the 5 minutes chart. Okay, so guys, for DAX, we are long on DAX. Just for your information, it might drop for the next 10 minutes. It might continue to drop for the next 10 minutes, but then it will get an upwards trend. So I don't worry about it. I have just to, I might need to move my take profits a bit further down because I will explain you why. This was the opening of today. Then we reached this high, and then this high, and then this high. You see, it's not reaching the previous high. So I can't aim this high, which is right now my take profit. I have to aim a lower high. And once the market starts to move in my favor again, I will reconsider this take profit and see how we will react. And there we go. It started already to move in my direction. Also, gold started to recover. USA 100 started to recover slowly, guys. Wonderful. Wonderful. So everything started slowly to recover. You see DAX, my DAX position is already making some money again. Oh, this is what we like. So sometimes we just need to be a bit more patient, right, guys? Right? So, you want? Okay, both of my DAX positions are making right now money. Gold is dropping extremely. Gold. Yeah, we have to be a bit carefully how we will react on this kind of situation. As you see right now, it's a bit volatile and getting crazy. Kyriakos, do you have any updates? Yes, I will pass to Kyriakos.
Okay, guys, dollar is strengthening like crazy. It seems that for today we are in the wrong side of the markets. So I'm giving up euro dollar. There is no point of keeping it. I'm giving up also Aussie dollar. And I will stay with dollar CAD and euro yen. Look at what's happening right now. Suddenly we have a euro sell-off in the markets. Everything is dropping crazy. Dollar CAD is going the opposite direction. Okay, my screen. Just a moment. Okay, that's my screen. So I have given up on euro dollar and pound yen and Aussie dollar. I gave up all the trades. It seems that we are on the wrong side of the market, so there is no need to keep them both. So I only kept euro yen, dollar CAD and euro GBP. We had an intraday trend reversal for today. Join the club, Allen. I'm down also 4K. So we got it the wrong way today, guys. We are expecting euro strengthening. It was going well. Suddenly Draghi started to talk and eventually all the trades have been reversed to the opposite side of what we wanted them to go. It happens. It's Monday plus Draghi speech. That's a perfect recipe for a trend reversal. So we just kept now euro yen, euro GBP, and I mean it's amazing. The whole day, look at euro, look at the euro. The whole day was going up, 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 and now after Draghi speech has declined significantly. So today was not our day. It's obvious. We have made some losses. It's part of the game. So look at that. All the day was going up. Here was Draghi speech, and it started to decline. The same for euro yen, but I told you before that euro yen is more bullish than euro dollar. That's why I'm keeping euro yen and also dollar CAD, the short position of dollar CAD. Currently we are making some money, but I want these trades to run, at least to recover some of our losing positions we had today. Don't forget that in 1 hour from now, Draghi will talk about the systemic risk of the European Union banks, and they will adopt, let's say, a common policy how to react and how much money they will get in case a country like, for example, the example of Greece has financial problems. They would have a common policy on that. So the announcement of Draghi in 1 hour from now will be very important as well. And it will definitely cause some more volatility in the markets. So for the moment, we are only left with 3 positions: sell, short position dollar CAD, long position euro yen, and long positions euro GBP. That's all we have for the moment. Do you have anything to discuss, anything else to say to us, guys? Anything that is not clear, anything that you want clarification? We are more than welcome to answer any questions you might have on this. So for the moment, that's all. It was not a good day here at Forex. Currently, we have realized losses of $4,000 for today, and we have 3 positions still running and still pending to be closed. We will keep these positions. We are not closing positions. It's not a Friday afternoon, it's Monday afternoon, so I will keep these positions overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow and check how they are doing. Other announcements for tomorrow, let me see what we have. Okay, tomorrow we have important announcements for the British pound at 8:30 UTC time. We have the GDP of the UK month on month. Expectations are not announced yet. We have the manufacturing production month of month. We expect an increase in the manufacturing production index at a figure of 1%, better than the previous month, which was a contraction of minus 1.4%. What else do we have tomorrow? These are the major announcements for tomorrow for the GBP. Plus at 9 o'clock a.m. we have the German economic sentiment expected to contract at minus 17.9 instead of 16.1 for the previous month. So we are expecting bad news for the euro and good news for the pound fundamentally for tomorrow. We will see how this news will impact in the Forex market, and these are the major news for tomorrow. So from me, that's all. We are keeping these positions and we will see how they perform tomorrow. Elif, you have an update? Okay. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow, 8 o'clock a.m.
Hey guys, here I am. Basically, I just wanted to inform you about my DAX position. DAX positions are again making money, and I think I will close them. As I said, they have this very, very nice waves today, and I will close them before the next downtrend will start. So I will make some profits here and get some free margins to open further positions on my Selpo. There we go a bit more. Let me see, I'm expecting, yes, a bit more, $225 on the one position and $200 on the other positions. Getting ready to close it, guys. Getting ready. There we go. Just close the first position. And let's wait for the next position. I want a bit more. I want at least to get we closed also the second position. We closed 2 positions on DAX, and we got around $450. Guys, I got a notification that Boris Johnson quits as UK Foreign Secretary. So Boris Johnson is out. Let's see how UK 100 will react on it. Maybe we will find a possibility to enter. What do you think, guys? Let's go on 5 minutes. 1 minute. Let's see if we see any nice possibilities to enter. I will go long. Okay, I just opened a position on UK 100 and Kyriakos has an update for you guys.
Okay, guys, we are getting to realize $2,000 on our Euro GBP trade. $2,013. I think this will be our biggest single winning trade. So you can see that Boris Johnson quit has seized us on this trade. Since we were long euro pound, is getting there. Too much volatility for euro pound for the moment, and we are aiming for $2,000. If we get this trade, this will cut our losses in half, even more than half. So let's see if we will get this trade. We definitely want to get this trade. We have a few pips away from our take profit. So you see this candle here. This candle was made because of from Boris Johnson resignation. So we are expecting a bigger upward move on Euro GBP. Okay, it's getting there. All right, let me have a look on the other pairs. Dollar CAD, until we finish with that. Dollar CAD. Doesn't look good, guys. In just a moment to check the 1 hour chart. No, we are keeping dollar CAD. Euro yen. Euro yen starts to decline. I'm giving away Euro yen. I don't like it anymore. So I'm only left with two positions, Euro GBP and dollar CAD for the moment. Okay, guys, come on. It should be more on that, not only that. Let me see. It's recovering a bit. Okay, I will adjust my stop loss on Euro GBP. I will put it on a much lower, on a higher level. I will change it to 88.20. So I'm changing my stop loss level of GBP, Euro GBP 20 to 88.20. Stop loss for Euro GBP to 0.8820. Let me see. Okay, looks okay. So our risk now is minimized to $570. And we are aiming for $2,000. I'm keeping these positions definitely through the night, since I'm very positive on them. If we get, for example, Euro pound trade, this will cut our losses in half for the day. So we need that trade to be triggered. Okay, it seems that Euro pound is retreating a bit now. So false alert, it started to go up, but now is retreating a bit. If I have any updates, I will let you know. Elif, you have an update on your positions? No. Okay, that's all we have for the moment, guys. Thank you very much for watching us. I'm keeping these positions overnight. I'm not closing anything since it is Monday, it's not Friday. I repeat that I have changed my stop loss on Euro pound to 0.8820. Patrick, have you taken this trade, Euro pound or not? Okay, I hope it does well. It shows that we will do well, Patrick, and we would like to thank you very much for your participation, guys, and we will see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock a.m. UTC time. Excellent. So from me and Elif, we would like to wish you a nice day ahead, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.